Good afternoon. This is Kay Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I am going to cook a butternut squash. Never done this before, so let's do this together. What I understand I will need a 1/3 cup of melted butter. I will need brown sugar, ground cinnamon, salt and pepper. So we'll get started and we're going to see just what we come up with. And we're going to cook it in our Ninja. It's just roasted butternut squash. So what we first have to do is we have to cut this in half. And I don't really know how to do this. I'm sure y'all know maybe an easier way of doing this than what I'm going to do. So give me your comments and tell me. Like I say, this is the first time I have cooked a butternut squash. Oh, it's very pretty. Alright. Now let's get this seeds out of the middle. A little stringy. Let's do this one just a little bit better. There. Now I need to peel this. Now I was told that this would be the hardest thing to do about a butternut squash is to peel it. And guess what? That is correct. I have tried my potato peeler, and it's a little hard to do it with anything, it seems like. So if anybody out there knows a better way of peeling this thing, how about giving me some comments and telling me how do you peel a butternut squash? Maybe I needed to cook it or something, but anyway, I did not. I'm going to get this thing peeled. And then I can give y'all a good laugh for the day about how I have done this. Hey, I about got the bottom of it done. I did get 1/2 done. I will get this done. Of course, I may not have no squash left time I get through. Almost. Okay. I got those squash peeled. They may not look the best, but they are peeled. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to cut them up in chunks or cubes. Okay, I now have got this cut up in cubes. We're going to put it in our dish. And we're going to put, it says salt and pepper on both sides. So we're just going to put some pepper on it, some salt on it, and sort of stir it up a little bit. I have got a 1/3 cup of butter melted. We're just going to pour it over this and get all the pieces wet. happens to be my Ninja pan out of my Ninja oven, and as you can see, I have well used it. And we're going to put a piece of parchment paper over it. And we're going to spread this out on our parchment paper. Try not to have them up on top of one another. Let your pan be big enough to spread them out. Looks pretty good, just laying there like that. I'm going to put them in my Ninja, and we're going to cook them for 20 minutes or until they're soft. I'll take a toothpick in just a few minutes, in 20 minutes, and stick in them and see if they're soft. And when they get soft, we'll sprinkle them with cinnamon and brown sugar and let them cook just a little bit more. And we're going to set my Ninja at 350. Okay, I've got my Ninja set on bake 20 minutes at 350. It's preheating right now, so it won't take it but a second, and it will be ready, and we'll come back and check on it. Okay, this has been cooking for 20 minutes, and I can assure you that it is not, I don't think it's done. I'm going to put it back in there for about 10 more minutes, and we'll check it again. Now, I've cooked it an additional 10 minutes. Oh, it's a lot better, just that little extra 10 minutes. So what we're going to do now, 2 tablespoons full of brown sugar, and just sprinkle it on top of it. And we're going to take just a little bit of cinnamon and put it on top of the brown sugar. And we're going to put it back in our Ninja, and we're going to roast this until it's brown. I've got it on air roast. It shouldn't have taken no more than 10 minutes. Well, it definitely looks good. Butternut squash. Got my dinner all set for tonight. Lima beans, squash, and fried chicken. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please give me your comments. Come back to see me. And have a fantastic day. Butternut squash, a 1/3 cup of butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar, salt and pepper. And I love your comments on this to tell me how I can cut a butternut squash up better than what I did. But this looks really, really good. It tasted good. And again, Kay and Tom, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me.